Okay, in this evening's video, what I thought I'd do is do a night scenes, nightlife here in Kata Beach, and I thought I'd start right here at the sunset. And we got some cloud action, but check this out. This is absolutely beautiful. See all the other folks. Actually, sunset is at 1838, but you can see it's going behind the clouds, so it's almost, like a little bit earlier. And this is on North Kata Beach. Let's see, watch that parasailer go up. Today's a good day for it too. Okay, I'm going to make my way back up to the back road up here and head south and start down there. This is the south end of Kata, and you can see just as busy as it is up there on the north. Oh, if anybody's wondering, I'm actually shooting this with a Pocket 3. Now, I didn't bring the Pocket 3 up to the Serene Islands because it wouldn't have survived up there. This is actually the best time because the light is low and it's not completely dark. I'm going to start down here at the south, go on the other street, and just kind of explore the nightlife there. Now, I've done videos of this before, but I just love doing this. And this is with the Pocket 3 also. This is the first stop right here. It's called the Super Surf. See how popular it is. You can get up there and show your surfing skills. They got a little restaurant inside. Okay. This is the street that connects to the beach, and we're going to head down this way. See all these little shopettes along the side. And I am going to cross over there, end of Kata Road, and it's right here at the intersection. See how crazy insane it is. Got to make my way across. A lot of taxis. See if I can ease across here. They don't give you any leeway around here, that's for sure. All right. All right, on the other side, see that nice restaurant. Actually, that outdoor one is really good. I've eaten there a few times. Awesome food. Good prices, too. Huh? With all these people, this is definitely still somewhat of the high season. You can feel it. Let's try down. We'll just kind of cut through some of these little side streets a little bit. Just to see what's down here. Now these are if you want a good deal on hotels, you come down and this side. I got the back side here. I'll cut through here anyway. Buddy Cup. Probably went through. Wow, that's a lot of birds. This night walking street market. We're going to see the other part further north. So let's go in here and I'll show you what's around. These ice cream places are really popular. I might have to pick up some tonight up north though. I call this cheap eats. You don't want to buy fruit down here. Fuddy Cobb. Sabiti might go like tilapia maybe. $3.50 a fish. Tons of fried food though. That's the only bad thing about it. If you're into that stuff, you gotta be careful on that fried food. All right, time to make my way up further north. We'll see what's around here. This is when all the fresh seafood comes out, every night. Let's see what they have here. Look at the size of these lobsters. Yeah, thing, man. That is big. Fire baked. The cheese action going. Oh, that's what it looks like. She's cutting it up. So tempting to get one of those. This is the Kata Plaza. Let's go in here and see what's going on here. Kind of like a little walkthrough. Again, wall to wall souvenirs, t-shirts. I don't even know if I'm gonna finish. I think I'll just turn around. Or maybe it goes the other way down there. Let's see. Oh, I think it does go around this way. We'll just walk through here, kind of cut through here, and yeah, go back out. See if they still have those monster lobsters.
Hello, shark shot. Давай, бля! Завтра придут тебе лобстера или кушать. Завтра последний день есть. Завтра
Volkswagen bar. That's pretty cool. lighten it up a little bit till I hit. Fresh pizza. The other way? It's so good. A lot of area. It's going to go down this street a little bit and then make my way inside the North Market and check that out. So let's go. I think I'm just gonna name this video Kata at Night. I think it's appropriate title for it.
Hello, sir.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing good, sir.
How are you? What is your name? What is your name?
Roman.
Roman? How you doing, Roman?
Doing good.
How's your night going?
Huh?
How's your night going? Good?
So far, so normal.
A lot of customer?
Not that much on this season.
Oh, okay.
This month, it's not that much. It's quiet now, but last month,
Yeah, a lot.
customer here.
Yeah. Seems like there's a lot of people though.
Yeah, a lot of restaurants, a lot of people here right now.
Yeah. But looks like, I mean, I think you're going to get a lot of business, man. All right, man. Check it
You
out.
should try some Indian food here too.
I will. Thank you. Okay, we're going to head through here again. This is the North Market. It's all part of the nightlife. This is actually a better area than the South, I think. They have another outdoor restaurant too here. We saw the one down south, same business. And if you want a really cheap place to stay, you look up these places right here. Like the Su Cozy. They get a hostel right there. You know, those are the This place is wild. Really wild. It's dinner time, you know, so Max, take a tour around this little market area and I'll show you around. This is awesomeness. One of the most popular things you can get around here. Kebabs. Sorry, Cup.
Morning.
Good morning. How are you? I know. Tilapia.
Papakio.
Tilapia? Tilapia fish. What kind?
Panin.
Panin? Oh, okay. Panin. All right. Looks like tilapia. All right, more beef right there, ribs. A lot of fried food. I may have to stop for some ice cream. That's all there is to it. What do you think? Okay, we're gonna walk down here. I know it's eating. That's what nightlife is all about. It's about eating. This is where you eat for cheap, though, you know. We got barracuda. All right, let's go over here. Crocodile. I don't know about that. Okay, other side. of this market. I gotta get inside here. What do you got? Buddy Cup kind of extends on back here. Let's see what's back here. Look at all that seafood. See how she rolls it. Perfectly rolled. Cup it up. Is there a north intersection here at Kata? We're gonna walk down this street. That'll be the end when I get to the end of this street. Let's go up this road more, almost to the end of it. Okay, let's check this little market out right here. This is a new one that I noticed. It's called the Tiana Kata Market. Sweaty cup. I think they just built this one recently, because before this was all open land. Like, looks like they made some good use of it. Let's see how far it goes back here. A little bit different atmosphere up here. Pretty good, man. Just checking it out. So they got the food in the center. Nice setup though. Kind of a little bit low key here. Not as crazy as the last one I was in. Maybe they're trying to make it like that here though. Well, the best of luck to them. Alright, this is the end of this video of my little nightlife walk. Saw some interesting places and I thought I'd stop here at the 7-Eleven. And that's pretty much everything about Kata right there. I mean, the most exciting parts. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you later in somewhere in Thailand. I'll just say that. How's that sound? See ya.